Hello everyone, my name is Pragati Jha Parasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of LexClick and Company. So my topic is transfer of property. So transfer of property act is a general law related with the transfer of property. Here it is generally related with the immovable property. Transfer of property is generally relating with the property which is immovable. So the objective of the Transfer of Property Act is to make the rules, regulation, and procedure related with the transfer of property. Transfer of property is generally property may be transferred in two ways: transfer by the act of the parties and transfer by the operation of law. So, what is immovable property? This act does not define the immovable property, but under section 3 of this act state that immovable property does not include standing trees, timber, growing crops, and grass, etc. So, as a General Clause Act 1897, immovable property means land or benefit arising off of land. For example, right to collect rent from immovable property, a right to pay interest of mortgage, right of to collect from trees, and right to collect from fisheries. So transfer property is basically related with immovable property. A property can be transferred in two ways, like transfer by the act of the parties and transfer by the operation of law. So generally, any rent, any right, any collection which arises from the land, any benefit arises from the land, then it is included in the immovable property. What is transfer of property? It is defined under section 5. So, as an act by living person convey the property in present or in future in one or more other living person, then it is called the transfer of property. Living person may be company, individual, or body of association. So, who have a right to transfer? Every person competent to contract and entitled to a transferable property, or authorized to dispose the transferable property not his own, is competent to a part, either absolutely or continuously, in the circumstances, to the extent and in the manner allowed and prescribed by the law for the time being in force. So here in this video we have discussed what is transfer of property and who is competent to the transfer of property, and what is immovable property. And transfer of property relates with the benefit arises from land. It can be transferred by any person who is competent, and it may be transferred in future to the other living person, and living person mean any person, individual, association, and company.